Did you know that creators using AI tools are getting 300% more views than those still doing everything manually? If you're tired of spending hours brainstorming video ideas only to get crickets in your comment section, today's video will completely change how you approach content creation. I'm about to show you exactly how to use TubeMagic AI to transform your channel from struggling to viral. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a complete system that works like magic. Let's be honest, creating viral content feels impossible when you're staring at a blank screen, wondering what your audience actually wants to watch. You post a video thinking it's going to blow up, and instead it gets 12 views and your mom's supportive comment. Sound familiar? The problem isn't your creativity, it's that you're competing against creators who have cracked the code using artificial intelligence. Here's the brutal truth about YouTube's success in 2025. The creators winning aren't necessarily the most talented or entertaining. They're the ones using data-driven strategies powered by AI tools that give them unfair advantages. While you're guessing what content to make, they're using algorithms to predict exactly what will go viral before they even hit record. TubeMagic AI is revolutionizing how smart creators approach YouTube, and I'm going to walk you through the exact three-step system that's helping channels explode their subscriber counts. We're talking about video idea generation that hits every single time, scripts that hook viewers from second one, and optimization strategies that make the algorithm fall in love with your content. Step 1 is mastering AI-powered video idea generation. This is where most creators completely mess up. They either copy trending topics without understanding why they work, or they create content based on personal interests instead of audience demand. TubeMagic AI eliminates this guesswork by analyzing millions of data points across YouTube to identify emerging trends before they peak. The secret is understanding search volume patterns and competition analysis. When you input your niche into TubeMagic, it doesn't just spit out random topics. It shows you exactly which keywords are gaining momentum, how difficult they'll be to rank for, and what your potential reach could be. This means you're not just creating content, you're creating content that people are actively searching for. But here's the game changer that most people miss. TubeMagic AI analyzes your specific channel data to suggest ideas that align with your existing audience while expanding your reach. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you which topics will resonate with your current subscribers and attract new ones. The AI considers your upload schedule, audience retention rates, and engagement patterns to recommend the perfect content calendar. Now let's dive into step 2, which is crafting irresistible scripts using AI assistance. Writing scripts that keep people watching is an art form, but TubeMagic AI turns it into a science. The platform analyzes top-performing videos in your niche to identify the exact structural elements that drive engagement. The AI helps you construct what I call the retention formula. It suggests optimal hook lengths, identifies where to place your strongest value propositions, and even recommends when to introduce tension or resolve conflicts. This isn't about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it with data that actually works. One incredible feature is the emotional arc mapping. TubeMagic AI can suggest where to build excitement, create curiosity gaps, and deliver satisfying payoffs throughout your script. It analyzes viewer drop-off points from similar videos and helps you structure content that maintains interest from start to finish. Your scripts become magnetic because they're designed around proven psychological triggers. The third step focuses on optimization strategies that make YouTube's algorithm prioritize your content. This goes way beyond basic SEO. TubeMagic AI provides insights into optimal upload timing, thumbnail psychology, and even suggests A/B testing strategies for titles that maximize click-through rates. The platform analyzes your audience's viewing habits to determine when they're most active and likely to engage. It considers time zones, competitor upload schedules, and trending patterns to suggest the perfect publishing windows. This timing optimization alone can increase your initial view velocity, which signals quality content to YouTube's algorithm. Thumbnail optimization becomes incredibly powerful when guided by AI analysis. TubeMagic evaluates successful thumbnails in your niche, identifying color schemes, composition elements, and text styles that generate the highest click-through rates. You're not guessing what works. You're leveraging data from thousands of successful videos. Here's something most creators never consider. TubeMagic AI helps optimize your content for different audience segments simultaneously. It can suggest variations in your approach that appeal to both your core audience and potential new viewers, maximizing your content's reach without alienating existing subscribers. The real magic happens when these three steps work together. Your AI-generated ideas are inherently optimized for search and trending potential. Your scripts are structured for maximum retention using proven psychological frameworks. Your optimization strategy ensures the algorithm recognizes and promotes your content effectively. This systematic approach transforms content creation from random guesswork into predictable success. You're not hoping your next video goes viral, you're engineering it using the same data insights that power the biggest channels on YouTube. Ready to revolutionize your content creation process? Start implementing these TubeMagic AI strategies today and watch as your views, engagement, and subscriber growth reach levels you never thought possible. Your breakthrough video is just one AI-powered strategy away.